Today I will discuss about Python pattern programming, lecture number 5. So today I will discuss about cubic cubic star pattern program and numbering star pattern program. So first we need to write a star pattern program. So open Visual Studio or Android Studio. So first I need to write a for I in range and write over here 1 to how many time you print number of row. So I need to 5 time of print row. So I need to write to 5 and print 4 times. So 5 time of star. So first I value is 1. So first write print 5 time of star. After loop is 5 time 5 time is working. So 5 time printed 5 star. So over here range is look at this display and print here. So simply display here row 4 time is printed and 5 star print 5 time star printed. So display our output is display same as need to want. And let's started program number 2 printed 5 time of 1 after printed 5 time 1 after printed 5 time 1 and so on. So we need to write our code. So here comment out and 5 times print 1 number. So first I need to write for loop for I in range and 1 to 5 time and print I 1 1 1 1 1. You can assign any value in print section and print display. So I will display make payment is a display and look at this output will be same in our code. So it is a simple program. Thank you for watching video. Please do like, subscribe and share my video.